How to share a PowerPoint presentation as a link. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to share a PowerPoint presentation document as a link on the app. First thing, go to the document that you want, for example this one. Now let's say that you want to share this presentation. Go here, click on this icon. Now here you will find share as a link option. Click on it and click on edit link. Now here you can choose any app you want to share it to. Very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later.